In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an AI assistant to your Shopify admin and use it to create and translate store content. To get started, open Google Chrome and switch to a layout that gives you a clear view of your Shopify admin dashboard. The goal here is to have enough space to work comfortably, especially since you'll be moving between your admin area and the AI assistant interface. A clean browser view can make the setup process much easier and helps you avoid missing any menus or settings. Once you're inside your Shopify admin, head over to the Shopify App Store and look for an AI Assistance Connector app, such as Claude AI Assistant. When you find the app, begin the installation from your store's app area. During this part of the process, it's a good idea to pay attention to the permissions and prompts that appear on screen so you understand how the app will connect with your Shopify environment. After the app is installed, open its menu from within your Shopify admin. This is where you'll connect the service so it can start working. You'll be asked to enter your Anthropic API key credentials. Be careful during this step because these credentials are sensitive and should always be handled securely. Paste the required values into the appropriate fields, then save or confirm the connection so the app can authenticate properly. If the app shows a successful connection message, that usually means you're ready to move on. With the setup complete, you can begin using the interactive Claude input panel and its chat boxes. This is the main area where you'll give instructions and receive AI-generated responses. For example, you can use it to draft product descriptions, improve existing product copy, or translate store content into another language. To get the best results, be as clear and specific as possible when writing your prompts. Short requests can work, but detailed instructions often lead to stronger, more useful output. As you work, take a moment to review the generated text before publishing it to your store. This helps ensure the tone matches your brand, the information is accurate, and the translations make sense in context. The AI can save a lot of time, but a quick human review is still an important final step. That's the complete process for connecting an AI assistant inside Shopify and using it to support your content workflow. Once everything is connected, it becomes a fast and practical tool for writing, editing, and translating store material directly from your admin environment.